My name is Eli and I am the founder of Lead From Within. Lead From Within originally was built out of my dream to help people follow their own dreams. And it started as a one-on-one coaching company supporting people in their lives to really claim their aspirations and not live from fear, but really believe in what they want to have and go after it. And Lead From Within slowly and naturally evolved into also a corporate training company, a management consulting company, where we're helping people in leadership development. We're helping people develop leadership skills that go all the way from emotional intelligence, developing courage, through communication skills and team dynamics. It is extremely important for me to have everything that I do and all of my communication to my customers, to my prospect out there, represent the quality of the brand that I'm trying to create. The Futures team has been an amazing asset to my company and the kind of work that I do, because first of all, they have been extremely reactive and able to deliver any content need that I have, whether that's related to my workshop materials, whether that's related to one-on-one coaching, or whether it's related to a client prospect that I need to talk to that has just appeared from a conversation that I've had. They have been able to turn around whatever materials I need in a very quick way, very efficient way, and very high quality. I personally suck at design, and they have helped me figure out what is the design that truly represents my brand. Starting from the most basic things as logos, flyers for my events, but also the colors for the brand that I'm wanting to create. It started from as simple as the logo to all the way to the look and feel of my website and everything that's in between.